Hi, can I show you something really cool? In this tin is liquid plastic. If you take out the tube and you squeeze the tube on this tin, you can make instant liquid plastic in 4 seconds. This is a honey-like substance. There's no solvents in it. Only you determine the cure time. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's instantly hard plastic. My name's Rob, and my business partner, Dr. Tom Offerman in Germany, invented Bondic. And sadly, 2.5 years ago, just before we were about to press the go button on Kickstarter, he passed away suddenly, and our priorities completely changed. Fast forward, Bondic has become a hit with the makers and the DIY community. The problem is that with the success of Bondic came all the as seen on TV industry who, in spite of our patents, basically knocked everything off. And instead of making the lawyers' boats a lot bigger, we decided not to be the 38th or 39th person on the lawsuit case. And what we've done is, to distinguish ourselves from everybody that's copied us, I took the beginning of what Dr. Tom and I were working on and finished it off. This is the Bondic Evo, and the difference is that now the tube points in the right direction and you don't have to flip it. So when it gets low on fluid, there's no waiting for the fluid to come back. Also, the LED is exactly in the same spot right by the tip, so you can drop and you can cure, and you can drop and you can cure right away. Now, it's easier than ever before to change the batteries, and you can pick them up at any dollar store. Bondic isn't just for makers, it's for everybody. It's for professionals, it's for hobbyists, it's for moms, dads, kids. If you've got something very expensive, it's made of plastic, there's really no better way to repair it. We've been hard at work, and we thought this is the best time to launch Bondic Pro. With your help, we can determine which variations are best to take to retail. Thanks for taking the time, and we appreciate your support.
So, you want a quick way to measure stuff. What if you could measure anything just by walking? This is Measure 1. It can measure as far as a 1,000-foot tape measure. Measure through walls and obstacles as if they weren't there. Measure winding cable lines or tracks. Measure angles and curves. Calculate the area of a room, volume for storage, or a shipping package. Get the right incline for your decking or stairwell photos. Find the right horizontal level and distance for your coaster frames. Measure circular objects, cylinders, even irregular shapes, all with one hand. You just need to move it from one point to the other and you're done. Other measuring tools fail when there's too much light, the wrong surface, or if the space prevents them. Because it doesn't use lasers or a camera, Measure 1 isn't restricted by light or space. Use it anywhere, anytime, no matter the circumstance. Measure 1 is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. Your recordings are immediately saved in the app, which is already being sold in the App Store. The app also turns your phone into a rudimentary Measure device and already has 70,000 downloads and a solid 4-star rating from users. So, how does it work? Measure 1 uses an advanced technology called motion measuring. Motion measuring is the same technology used in rocket guidance systems to accurately track the movement and locations of rockets in 3D space. Using gyros, accelerometers, and magnetometers, Measure 1 plots its 3-dimensional position in any space to measure distance, angle, level, and much more. Measure is the first motion measure device ever made for consumer use. It puts the same technology found in rockets in the palm of your hand. So, what are you waiting for? Back our campaign now and step into the future of measuring with Measure 1.
Testing malfunctioning electronic devices with a traditional multimeter is a hassle. Dials, switches, tethered leads, and technical jargon add complexity and difficulty. And keeping track of measurements can be a real pain as well. Now there's an easier way. Introducing Vion, the world's simplest Bluetooth multimeter. Vion simplifies testing electronics for malfunctions. It can automatically measure electrical output and send data to smartphones. And the Vion app provides you a live feed of all the electrical measurements taken with Vion. Vion's unibody design makes it lightweight and easy to store, perfect for your workshop, your home, or your car. Connect Vion to your smartphone using Bluetooth and measure values in real time. Vion reads back stored measurements through voice guidance, so you don't have to worry about looking down at your phone. Vion gives you a simple good or bad result indicator, so you'll know right away in real time if your device is working properly. Vion has colored LEDs built into the handles for quick visual reference as well, flashing lights for connectivity status. Use Vion to check if your batteries are running low, if your electronic devices are working correctly, or if there are wiring problems in your home. Vion caters toward both experts and novices, and supports most functions found on traditional multimeters, so contractors and electricians can use it on the job, as well as a boy trying to fix his RC car. Reading measurements that Vion collects is easy, but for those who like data, you can review all the detailed information displayed in the Vion app. You can automatically detect the error of the device and have the measurements saved on the application. Vion is the easiest and safest way to troubleshoot problems with electronic devices. Vion eliminates the hassle and expenses of calling for repair services. Anyone can easily use it for countless situations. Unlike other multimeters, Vion has no body, making its paired probes easy to store and carry. Vion, the world's simplest Bluetooth multimeter.